Welcome to the Bloom Schools. Is there anything more for today? No, I don't think so. That's all for today. Is she going to marry? No, she will certainly remain single. What's your plan after graduation? I want to become a programmer after graduation. Where are you going to meet him? I hope I will meet him at the airport. What will he do after graduation? He will probably follow his father's footsteps. Any questions? No more questions. Thank you. What does your father do? My father is a finance manager in a reputed company. Can we have a party this weekend? Yes, it seems interesting. What are you thinking about? I am thinking of quitting the job. What is he doing? He is a lawyer. Do you have any plan for your career? I am planning to continue my graduation. What about tomorrow? If it doesn't rain, we'll go for a picnic. What's the plan for next week? I have an interview next week. What is he doing? He is a manager of a famous corporation. What do you hope for? I hope that I should get a decent job with a good salary. What is he doing? He has his own office. Any news about your cousin? Yes, my cousin got promotion last month.